Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So it's been a very long time that I haven't come close to you all, which means that I haven't filmed any video. It's just a normal pot painting or a grocery shopping. So it's been a long time, so I just thought of making a video. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. So today I've come up with a very exciting news. So all the stores have already been opened in Bangalore, also Bengaluru, but this time I had been to one place where you have lot of sarees and beautiful wedding lehengas, sarees and many more. I just love all the collections from them, and by the title you would have already known that what am I speaking about. So yes, I'm talking about Soch. So this time I had been to Soch. So Soch has an amazing saree collections, wedding lehengas, dresses and many more. But this time I didn't shop anything to myself. I just shopped only for my mom. She really wanted few sarees. We just went to check out few sarees. We actually didn't want to go to Chickpet this time because Chickpet is quite far and the place is too crowded. It is totally crowded, so we didn't want to take any risk. So we just went to Shantiniketan Mall to just see if there are any saree stores. So randomly we just went to Soch, and they had a lot of amazing collections. So one thing I would tell you all, that this video is not at all a sponsored video. I have been to that place and I have invested my money there. It is not at all a sponsored video. So I would suggest each and everyone that if you're going to Soch, please go visit the saree collections. They have a lot of amazing sarees starting from 599 to 490, not 499, starting from 599 to 799 up to 10,000. They have a lot of varieties. So ignore the noise which is coming from behind. It is some construction work. So whenever I try to film any video, one or the other thing really happens, which is so annoying. So let's come back to the topic. So I was talking about Soch. So this time I wanted each and every one to go to Soch and just visit the saree collections, because they have a lot of different varieties. It's not only about Chickpet, they have beautiful sarees. Yes, I do accept that they have a lot of varieties in sarees and they're very reasonable, but this time Soch also has very beautiful collections. So that is the reason why I've made this video. So I don't want to waste all your time. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So as I already mentioned you all, I had been to Soch with my family. So once you enter the place, they have lot of saree collections which I really love. Just look at the beautiful collections so that you will just get to know how they look and what are the price. So this is a saree which mom really loved, but the price was quite expensive. It was for 12k, which is 12,000, and mom really didn't want to invest so much on one saree. She wanted to gift it to some other person, so she wanted in something reasonable. So we're just looking out for sarees. Meanwhile, I'll be showing you all some other sarees which you will all really love. So one best thing about Soch is that they have beautiful people around them. They really help you in finding your saree, which I really love from Soch. So mom opted for a very simple sarees, not very blingy. So in this they have lot of varieties and patterns. Just look at the patterns. I really love this beautiful pink saree, which they have these tiny flowers. So this saree is just for rupees 3,000. They also have the same sarees in other range, which starts from 1,000. You can please go check them out. So the store is quite spacious. There are a lot of stores in Bengaluru. One is in Commercial Street, Indiranagar. So this one is in Shantiniketan Mall. So he is showing us few more sarees which we wanted at a very reasonable price. So this one is somewhere around 2,500 to 3,000. So there are a few more sarees which are daily wear sarees, which starts at 598 to 798 and 1,498. and in this they have 50% discount. Yes, you heard it right, they do have 50% discount in all these sarees, which I really love. Please go visit the store, they have 50% sale, guys. So one thing which I would tell you all that they keep saying that they have single piece sarees, which means it is a single piece saree. If it is a designer piece, you will definitely get it only in a single piece, so you will not get it in different colors. So I hope you all understand that. So please don't get worried if they say it is a designer piece. The price will be the same, it's just that they have only one color in that. So when I'm showing you all the sarees, how can I forget about the blouse? They have lot of collections in blouse, so don't worry about the size. They get all the size altered over here. They have different collections which I really love, but this time I didn't take any sarees or blouse. It's just for my mom because I don't wear any sarees. It's of no use for me. So this is just the overview of the store. They also have some dress materials which are very reasonable, which I'll be making another video of this. So these sarees are just for rupees 798. So here are some colors, some brown, some gray and black. Mom will never choose black, I know that, so that is the reason why she gave it back. So over here this is a coffee brown saree which is just for rupees 798, which is very affordable. So after searching a lot of sarees for a very long time, mom found this beautiful blue saree which is for rupees 1770. It is a very beautiful saree. The quality of the saree is really very good. I love the saree. I just wanted in some other color. I didn't want it in that blue. I wanted something in royal blue, but they didn't have the color. It's fine. So let's check out some more sarees. I guess my mom is fond of this saree or this color. Maybe because she's choosing this color from very long time. You can see she's already selecting the same color in different patterns. I think she's fond of that blue, and dad is like, why are you choosing this color for a very long time? Go to some other color. So I really love this beautiful pink color. So this one is a Rani pink color. I love this color. So this one is just for rupees 2000. They also have it in different color, which is red. So I also love this saree. The pattern is very beautiful. So let's hope for the best if she's picking it up or not. So after a very long time, our mom found this beautiful cream silver saree. It's a very beautiful saree. I just loved it. And it looks so beautiful off the camera. Believe me, it is really amazing and the quality is outstanding. I think we are going to pick it up because I just love the saree. It is just for rupees 2000. Yes, you heard it right. It is just for rupees 2000 and I'm going to definitely pick it up. So all of us just love the saree. We totally fell in love with the color. So dad is just asking about the price. So we are definitely going to pick it up. They also have different patterns starting from pure silk to tussar silk, party wear and many more. So I just can't tell you what and how they look because I don't have any experience in sarees. So that is the reason why I keep stressing out that please go visit the store so that you will just get to know what all they have. So mom loved the saree, so that is the reason we asked them to open the saree so that we will get to know that if there are any holes or anything. 90 to 95% there will be no damage, but from a safety side we always ask them to open the saree and then we check it out. Everything when we're gifting to someone, the saree should be really good and really beautiful. So you can see how beautiful the saree looks with the silver design on the saree. Wow, it's just amazing. They also have a beautiful blouse along with the saree at the end. So this beautiful cream baby saree is coming along with us to our home. So here ends the shopping. We bought a lot of sarees along with this one, which I'll be showing you all in the next video maybe, because I can't show you everything in one video because this video might go very long. So that is the reason why I'm not showing you all. I hope you all really loved watching this video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. Bye bye.